Hi everyone, we're going to write f of x in vertex form given here and name the vertex, axis of symmetry, and the direction of opening, either up or down, for the graph of this quadratic. So we'll get started. The first thing we want to do is complete the squares so we can write it in this vertex form. Alright, so I'm going to write this as y equals x squared minus 6x plus 11. And then I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 11 when we first start this. Equals x squared minus 6x. Keep the 11 on the y side. Now, what I'm going to do is complete the squares. So what I'm going to add is our b divided by 2 and square it on both sides. So you have whatever you add on this side, you have to add on the left-hand side. So basically my b is the 6. Or you could say negative 6. So let's erase this and put negative 6. So that's going to be negative 3 squared, which equals 9. So what we're doing is we're adding 9 to both sides. So on the left-hand side, we get y minus 2 equals, and then we're going to condense this. So this is going to be x minus, and you take half of the 6, that's this part, 3 squared. Now you can see your vertex from here. You do the opposite. So if you set this to 0, you get y is 2. If you set this x part to 0, you get y is 3. That's your vertex. Now we usually write it in vertex form, so we're going to move that 2 back over. So that's why it's opposite here but the same here, because this 2 really goes with the y. Alright, so there's that. And then what do we have to do? Axis of symmetry is always your x, so it's x equals 3. And since our lead coefficient is positive, that means it opens upward. So let's go ahead, and remember our vertex is hk, so x equals 3 here. And I'm going to do a little sketch of the graph. So we have our vertex was at 3, 2. So right about there, this is 3, 2. It opens upward. Here's your axis of symmetry, which is x equals 3. Our y-intercept is 11, because we had y equals x squared minus 6x plus 11. So if you plug in 0 here, you're going to get 11. And I don't have really room, I'll just put it about there. So we're just sketching it, and it would go something like this. And at the 11, it would be kind of there. It's symmetric with the axis of symmetry. So something like that. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.